Hey guys, how's it going today? So it's September 30, no, it's August 31st, 2020, and it's supposed to be summertime, but it's been kind of crappy lately. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this cool air compressor I picked up the other day, guys, for the Grumman van, for the work van. I haven't used the van much, honestly, in the last month. It's been summer, and people in the summertime don't call for repairs and service on their power equipment, so I kind of just parked this thing after the June-July rush, and it's a bit of a disaster. It needs a really good cleanup and an organization. The nice thing about a shop this small is you can do it in about 20 minutes. But I just wanted to show you in this video, guys. So this here is the air compressor that I've been running for the summer, or the second half of the summer, in the van here. It's just a little Power Pal Campbell Hausfeld compressor. Nothing spectacular. I think it's about 8 gallons, maybe 6 gallons, and it works great. There's nothing wrong with it. But I found on a local buy and sell website, guys, this thing. Now this is a very interesting compressor. This is a California Air Tools ultra quiet compressor, and what it is it's electric, has 2 pumps, so 2 pistons, one on each side of the motor, and what it does is it fills the tank with compressed air, but it's super quiet. So I saw this come up for sale. It was $90, guys, and I think these things new were around $300. It honestly doesn't look like it's barely been used, and I plugged it in when I went to pick it up, and I was shocked at how quiet this was. So I was thinking, I'm gonna do is put this small compressor in the van, as that compressor, I don't require it anymore because this one is actually even smaller than that one. I don't use air tools in this van, guys. I use DeWalt. I've got a drawer full of DeWalt tools, 20 volt max stuff. So this air compressor is going to save me some space. It's quieter, and it's just plain cool. So I'm going to turn it on so you can listen to this thing. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on first this older compressor. I'm actually going to trade this, in part trade, for a chainsaw, guys. That'll be a whole nother video, over to Jordy at Carving Fusion. I'll try and link his channel to my channel. He lives close by. He's got a great YouTube channel, great following. Maybe we can throw some subscribers back and forth. So I was just going to fire this thing up real quick, guys, and so you can hear it. So that's pretty typical small compressor like that, sounds like that. Now listen to this one, guys. Sounds like an industrial compressor on a fridge. It doesn't sound like a compressor at all. So it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is install it over there. I'm actually going to build a little cabinet, put it inside. It's going to be even quieter, and then we're going to gain some space back over there. This will have to run off of that inverter right there as well. You can see it in the background. Anyway, so I just thought I wanted to show you that, make a video about it today, and yeah, so hit the subscribe button and check back for some more videos about the van coming together. I'm going to do a bunch more work on it this winter coming up, get her ship shape for the service calls coming in the springtime. Thanks for watching.